Yesterday, we had our fourth Europa League match. It was against Maccabi Tel Aviv. We won 2-0 against them, and this is our third victory. We've had one loss against Go Ahead Eagles. This puts us in the sixth spot in the Europa League table. We're kind of the favorites to win this tournament, but let's see. I don't want to get ahead of myself. Yesterday's match it was not our best performance. Of course, winning feels great. Those 3 points feel great. But the game was a bit scrappy when it started. We were playing with a different lineup. We were playing with Malin as the striker, and Matson was there, and Tielemans was back after a long time. Lindelof was playing in the squad. But Malin played extremely well. He had a lot of chances. There were some mistakes here and there. He couldn't convert them, but I love the speed with which he plays, and I love the tension he creates by these multiple attempts. Like he is relentless for the opponents, and that's what I really like about him. And I kind of like when we begin with him as the striker. Yesterday's first goal was scored by Matson. It was scored in the extra time of halftime, right before the halftime. And we'd been making so many attempts, it was getting frustrating. And then Matson scored that goal from a very difficult angle. So that was a great goal. After the second half started, again Malin was at it. He made multiple attempts, and then finally we got a penalty, and Malin took that penalty and got a goal in, and that's how we won 2-0 against Maccabi. There is still a discussion of what is happening to Watkins' form, and is Malin a better opening striker for us or not? But Unai Emery did not give a clear answer in the press conference later. There is also controversy over how now Konsa is our vice captain. So whenever McGinn is not in the opening squad, then Konsa is our captain, which means Martinez is not. And when Unai Emery was asked about it, he did not give a satisfactory answer, or he didn't want to commit. But like we all know that this January window, it might happen that, like I don't want to jinx it, but it could happen that Martinez leaves Aston Villa. Yesterday was also McGinn's 300th match appearance for Aston Villa. I know it is too early to call him a club legend, but for me, he is. Just signed an extended contract with Aston Villa. He'll be playing for us till 2028. Also want to talk about how Martinez got a clean sheet for us. He's just the best, because there were a lot of attempts from Maccabi's side, and he saved all of them very nicely. Our next match is against Bournemouth. It's an EPL match, and let's see. It's a home match, so I'm kind of looking forward. I mean, I look forward to all Aston Villa matches, but yeah, I'm hoping for a win there. It's going to be difficult, but let's see. Up the Villa.